Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off dark mode on your iPhone. So to get started, you just need to go to settings, open settings, and after that, scroll down a little bit until you arrive to general. Click on general. You need to find display and brightness. After that, click on display and brightness. And as you can see, the first option is appearance, and you have two options, the dark mode and the light mode. If you want to turn off the dark mode, you just need to click on the light mode. And as you can see, we turned off the dark mode and we turned on the light mode in just 1 second. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to share this video with your friends, and see you in the next one.